Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the image open and layers visible. Immediately unlock the background or duplicate the layer so you keep an untouched copy. Once done, inspect the layer panel for any masks or alpha channels. Those create transparency. Make sure layer thumbnails and transparency grid are enabled so you can see gaps. You're preparing a safe workspace. This prevents accidental deletions and gives you options to revert changes if removing transparency alters color or edges later. Now you remove or fill the transparent areas. First, Ctrl/CMD click the layer thumbnail or use Select Load selection to target empty pixels. This isolates what's missing. Next, use Content-Aware Fill for complex backgrounds or Edit Fill with sampled pixels for simple fills. This preserves texture and avoids sharp seams. Once filled, add a layer mask and gently brush at 20 to 50% opacity to blend edges. Doing so maintains natural transitions and prevents halos or hard edges around your subject. To finish, inspect your result at 100% zoom and fix any artifacts with clone stamp or healing brush. Small spots are easier to correct now. Once satisfied, either flatten the image or export. Choose JPEG to guarantee no alpha channel, or export a flattened PNG if you need lossless quality without transparency. If colors shifted during fills, apply adjustment layers like levels or hue/saturation to restore balance. If something goes wrong, undo step by step and reapply Content-Aware Fill with a larger sample area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.